If you just shared a link to your Squarespace website, maybe on social media or maybe even in a text message, and it's populating this picture or this description that you don't want to have anymore, you want to change, and you've ended up here in this video, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to change those things. So once you're logged into your website, this little settings gear here in the bottom right of the dashboard, or the dashboard, the sidebar over here, we're going to click on that. And we're going to go to social sharing, which is really hard to say. So I'm going to try to get through this video without messing it up. Click into social sharing, and this is where that image is going to live. So right now you can see I have one in there. If you don't have one, it's probably just pulling that top image from your homepage. But if you drag and drop in one here, you can designate which image it populates as the preview of your website. So when you do share it online, it will share with something that you want it to share. I would recommend making it a horizontal image. I just honestly took a screenshot of the top of my homepage and put that here. This is like the catch-all for your homepage, and if you don't set your social share image for a specific page, it will use this one. Now, the description, if we come back to website, I guess we didn't need to do that. It changes where it lives all the time. I'm going to come to marketing and SEO appearance. This SEO site description right here is where that description is going to live. So when you share a link to your site, it will share the social share image and then this site description here. But like I said, we can customize this for each page. So if I go into pages, and let's look at my about page. If I click the little settings gear of my about page, if I click social image here, you can see it's going to populate my social image that I put in on the website as a whole. But if I wanted to, I could come in here and add an additional image. Where I do this most often is for individual blog posts. So if somebody were to share a specific blog post, let's just pick this top one up here. If I do settings and then social image, you can see here I put in my YouTube thumbnail so that populates when somebody shares this specific blog post. So I don't necessarily do it for the pages on my website. I just let them all have that main one. But I do go in and make sure to customize the social image for every blog post that I do. And if you click SEO, I also do that as well for my blog posts. Because honestly, the reason that I do these blog posts is because I want people to search for them and be able to find them. It's not just for sharing, it's to help people find them. So these kind of live on their own, like their own little asset for my website. So it has its own picture, own title, own description. It's not just getting lumped in with the general information about my site. So that's how you change it for your site, for your page, for your blog post. That's where it lives. It's the SEO description for your site, your page, or your blog post, and the social share image for all of those things as well. If this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you can see here I have lots of videos and lots of tips on improving your Squarespace website, so I hope you stick around and watch for more.